Welcome to 250 Curvewood Rd. This neat 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car garage and rear deck. It's located in the Gatewood neighborhood in Northeast Columbia near the Summit. Convenient to I-20, Fort Jackson, Sandhills dining and shopping, and a quick commute to Columbia, downtown Columbia. So we're out front. You can see you have a nice long driveway coming off of the street to the 1-car garage, and you have a covered front entry here as well. So we step inside. You have a bit of vinyl flooring as you come in. Before the carpeting, you can see on your left side here you have stairs going up to the second level, and we'll go ahead and show you the garage just since we're on this side quickly. And that is a 1-car garage. As you can see, there's a small or medium-sized SUV parked inside just for a little bit of scale, and you can see there also is some built-in shelving along the entire back wall of the garage for storage also. And again, a nice sized living room off of the foyer. Just have a window out to the front. And the living room, as you can see, has a nice pass-through window to the dining area. There is a coat closet and storage closet here tucked beneath the stairs as well. And then again, dining room off of the living room and kitchen. You can see a window and a sliding glass door out to the backyard and deck. And there's a matching one of those shades on that left side window as well that pulls down. And you have a deck here off the back of the home. Nice size blue deck, and the backyard does back up to some trees behind you at the time of this video. And then a galley-style kitchen off of the dining area. You have light wood cabinets, gray countertops, and white appliances. There's a side-by-side refrigerator, built-in microwave, smooth top electric range, and dishwasher. And then at the far end you have a guest bathroom, or excuse me, a half bathroom, which is a nice size, single vanity and a commode in there, and also doubles as the laundry room. So you have a full-size washer and dryer that I do believe are included with the home, but do confirm that before with the leasing office before submitting any application. So all the bedrooms and the 2 full baths are on the second level of the home. So we go up onto the landing here, and master starts on your right side, and you can see the other bedroom. Just continue on around that way. So in the master you have a walk-in closet as soon as you come in ahead of you. It's a nice size walk-in, some built-in shelving and organizers, has mirrored doors, and then you also have an additional linen closet with shelving for extra storage there. And then vaulted ceilings in the bedroom itself with a ceiling fan. And then you have a full bathroom here with a garden tub and shower. This window out towards the backyard, and then single vanity, as you can see on that side. And then also an attic pull down in the hallway, and there's a linen closet there as well. Your second bathroom is right next door. Some nice updated tile flooring in here. Shower and tub in this one as well. Window out back with a nice deep base, so you can actually put a few items in that ledge if you need to for extra storage. And then last but not least, the final 2 bedrooms in the home. This one faces the back and the other one's going to face the front. Pretty standard size closet. That linen closet here. And then bedroom number 3, which is a really nice size. And this one's front facing and does have a small walk-in also. So that completes our tour of this home. 250 Curvewood Road. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.